Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if mouse pointer automatically moves on your window. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. You will find Control Panel under the best match, so just simply click on that. Now here you need to view this into categories. If this, I mean like in large icons, sorry for that. If this is viewed by category, you can simply change that to large icons so that you can easily find this one mouse. So for the mouse properties, now this small window will appear, which is the buttons, pointers, pointer options, wheel, and hardware tab. Now you have to click on the pointer options tab. Here you'll find select a pointer speed. So I'm going to say that you need to try to adjust in the middle. So if this is set to the maximum, just simply adjust this to the middle, like that. And here you will find this option, hide pointer while typing. Simply uncheck or do not check this option. Again, do not check this option. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK and then close this. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and again you need to type device manager. Device manager under the best match, click on that. Now the device manager window will appear. We need to locate mice and other pointing devices. Click on this arrow. Then locate your mouse driver. Make a right click, select update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Then click on close. But if this is not working, then move to the final method. Locate again your mouse driver, select make a right click, select uninstall device, and click on the uninstall option. And you may try to plug out your external mouse, and then plug it again to the USB port, and then you have to make a right click, or you can simply press the Windows key. So after you have uninstalled the driver, press the Windows key and then right click on your power option and select restart. So that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.